Tara Lipinski. Tara Lipinski broke world records as a figure skater. She proved to the world that age doesn't have to stand in the way of someone's dream. Lipinski was only 3 years old when she started taking roller skating lessons. By the age of 6, she was taking both roller skating and ice skating lessons. She had classes 7 days a week. When Lipinski was in the 4th grade, she was waking up at 3 a.m. every day to practice before school. As soon as she got out of school, she was back at the rink. At the age of 11, Lipinski gave up roller skating so that she could devote more time to ice skating. She also had to quit attending public school and be privately tutored. In 1994, Lipinski won the Olympic Festival and became the youngest person ever to win this competition. At the age of 14, she won the U.S. Championships and the World Championships. She was the youngest person ever to win either of these competitions. In 1996, Lipinski became the first figure skater ever to complete a triple loop combination. This became her signature move. In 1998, at the age of 15, Lipinski used the signature move to secure a figure skating gold medal in the Winter Olympics. With this win, Lipinski became the youngest person to ever win a gold medal in the Winter Olympics. With hard work and dedication, Tara Lipinski set Olympic and world records at a very young age. Short answer. Number 1. What is the main idea? Number 2. What was Lipinski's signature move and what did it help her win? True, false. Number 3. Lipinski started ice skating when she was 3. True or false? Number 4. Lipinski was 14 when she won the gold medal. True or false? Number 5. Lipinski is the youngest person to win the Figure Skating World Championships. True or false?